Here we're going to be taking the derivatives of function f, which is sine of 2x plus 5y. So this is a function of a function, so I can write f as being sine of u, where u is 2x plus 5y, and now I can take my derivatives of f using the chain rule. So if I want to find df dx, that's going to be df du times du dx, and df dy is going to again be df du, but this time du dy. So what's that going to give us? Well, derivative of sine u is just cos u, and du dx, that's just going to be 2. And for my final step, I just substitute for u to get my final answer, 2 cos 2x plus 5y. I do the same thing when I'm calculating df dy. So again, df du, since f is sine u, that's just going to be cos of u, and du dy, so this time that's going to be 5. And again, to complete the answer, I just substitute for u, 2x plus 5y. So now we look at higher order derivatives. So those are derivatives of df dx and df dy. So first of all, look at d2f dx squared, and that's just d by dx of df dx. So bearing in mind that 2x plus 5y is u, so df dx is 2 cos u. I first of all take d by du of that to get minus 2 sine of u. And now I take du dx, and that just gives me another factor of 2. So I can tidy this up. I can combine the two 2's, so that's minus 4 sine 2x plus 5y. I can also take the cross derivative, d2f dy dx, so that's d by dy of df dx. So first of all, I differentiate 2 cos u, and I get minus 2 sine u, as before, and now I take du dy, and du dy is just 5. Again, I tidy this up, so that gets me minus 10 sine 2x plus 5y. Now let's look at the higher order derivatives based on df dy. So first of all, I can take d2f dy squared. So that's just d by dy of df dy, and same as before, 2x plus 5y, that's just u. So first of all, I take d by du of 5 cos u, and I get minus 5 sine of u, and I take du dy, and du dy is just 5. Tidy this up, I get minus 25 sine 2x plus 5y. I also need to take the other cross derivative, d2f dx dy. So that's just d by dx of df dy. And again, I use a chain rule. So first of all, I need d by du of 5 cos u. That's 5 sine u. And now I need d by dx of u, and that's just 2. So I tidy this up, and I get minus 10 sine 2x plus 5y. And again, I check I've got the right answer is my two cross derivatives are the same.